Okay, those of you who don't know how to turn in the assignment, alright, so these are our application assignments, so you have to do a lot of screenshots to give me the evidence of your work. So Microsoft Outlook, I gave you an assignment here, yes? So you're gonna see it, blah blah blah, and then you read it, and here I said, okay, go ahead and find the snipping tool, yeah, icon. So here is your taskbar of your computer, yeah, and this is your search, and you can type it SNIPPING, right? It's gonna show up under app. See, this is your app. It's an app app. When we call it app, we're talking about just a computer program. And you click on it, yeah, and it's gonna show up right here. And right click, you can pin it, okay, to your taskbar, so it's just right there, yeah. So the first assignment is asking you to create your signature, yeah. So you create it here. So once you finish it, I want you to snip it by using the snipping tool. Yeah, here is a new, and then you're going to snip your signature. Oh, I have created it, and then save it, of course, yeah. Save it, just put it on your desktop, right? And then type it like and then I told you to type it Microsoft assignment 1 here, and then save it there. Okay, so that's how I want you to screenshot, all right, proof of your work, your assignment. Then of course after you send, your sent is going to appear right here, yeah. So let me go ahead and send an email, yeah, just to myself. So here in the subject line, you're gonna write Microsoft, yeah, Outlook assignment, yeah, 1. And here your signature got to appear right there, yes. And then shoot me an email, so you sent it, yeah. So after some time, it's gonna show up here, yeah. So here we go. So let's wait for it. There, see? So this is what I want you to screenshot for assignment 2 and 3, okay? Example is assignment 1 here, but I want you to screenshot that, okay? Oh yeah, I sent the email to you, assignment 2. I schedule and send an email to you, assignment 3. And do the same thing, yeah? You name it assignment 2 here, and then save it, okay? And for assignment 3, you will have to do a schedule, yeah, schedule sent. So schedule sent is, I'm going to show you again, it's right here, yeah. So when you schedule sent, you can customize the time, okay. And after you sent it, okay, it will be sent out on this day and then at that time, okay. Just follow the assignment instruction on that. And of course I want you to snip it, okay. I want you to snip this one for me and save it, yeah. Assignment 3. So you have your 3 assignment evidence, yeah, in your desktop. So if I go back here, I see 1, 2, 3 here, or image fonts right there, okay. And then you're going to turn in, so this is your HTML, yeah, editor. You will insert, all right, these images. So your images are right there, see, insert image. So you go there, So you're gonna see your insert image here, yeah? One moment, why this is not coming. Okay, so I am checking this. So they have disabled the picture. I don't know why. So here is it's just giving you to add a file from the URL. So you can either use the cloud and then upload. Okay, so here you go. Your cloud is right here. So if you go to My MCC, your Office 365 is going to take you here. Yeah, and you can click on this little app yes app launcher right there, and then you can click on this and it's going to take you to the files. So all your files are right here, and of course I put it into here. This is just a temporary file, and here you can upload it. Okay, so you can upload all of your assignment right in there. These are just the samples. So you have assignment 1, 2, and 3 pictures right in there. Okay, you can copy the link. Okay, here, yeah. So if you click on this 3 little dot, you can copy the link right here, yeah, and then come back to just allow that, and then come back to here and then paste it. I wouldn't do it because sometimes the cloud and your insert image is going to clash and you won't be able to get it. See, the PNG is completely damaged, so I have no idea why they disable the image in there. So we can try another way by clicking on this link. Okay, that's another way you can be able to turn in yes. So here you can either click on URL and then attach, all right, your file link that you copy from here into it. Okay, and you can title, oh, that's your assignment 1, and then insert it. Yeah, so then go to another one and then do the same thing again. If you want to link directly from your OneDrive, you can also do that too. Okay, you will have to continue to OneDrive and sign in, otherwise it won't show up here. And then of course go to the right folder and then you can select it. Okay, and it's going to show up the same thing here. Of course, if you link to the cloud, it's going to come up with full file name. Okay, and then you submit it. If you don't want to do this, since they disable the insert image, which is actually a very useful icon here, so I'm going to talk to the IT people and see what's going on, why they're deleting the function that is actually very efficient to everybody. So anyway, so then you can upload that. Okay, let's see, you can upload all of it. All right, click on it and then click Control on your keyboard. Continue to click, yeah. Your left mouse button and then press open. Yeah, all of your files are here. So if you want to turn in by uploading, you can do that. If you want to turn in by the link, you can also do that here. Yeah. If you want to go on OneDrive, you can do this. Go to your OneDrive. Yeah, and then go to here and then attach. Okay, so this is the third one. Yeah, so assignment 1, 2, and then 3, and then you submit it. Okay, so that's how you submit using your HTML editor here. Yeah, and snipping tool. Okay, so which is this guy, because you will need to give me evidence of your work, and of course I will definitely check your email. It should come to my inbox. Yes, this week, end of this week. Okay. Okay, that's it for this assignment.